Hello, my name is Forrest Gump. May I ask what your name is? First and last, please.
Jenny Gump.
Jenny Gump, okay. And what is your birthday, Jenny?
July 19th, 1995.
Okay, let me just check that real quick. Okay, very good. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be learning how to properly fit a cane and using that cane to walk, also known as ambulation. Okay, so what you first want to do, have your patient stand up nice and tall. Normally, have their hands down by the side. And for the proper height of the cane, you want it at the level of the greater trochanter, the side of the hip. Another good reference point would either be the ulnar styloid process or just the crease of the wrist. So that's down by the side. As you can see, the gait, and also you want to line her femur, tibia, and the shaft of the cane should be going down through the heel. As you can see, step back just a second. Right there. And as you can see, it is going directly through her wrist. Okay? So therefore, when she goes to grab onto the cane, and the cane is 4 to 6 inches out in front of her, it should be at a 20 to 25 degree angle. If you want to check that, take your goniometer, line it up, just like that, and we are at a perfect 20 degree angle. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to walk with the cane, also known as ambulation. So what you want to do, you want to have the cane on the opposite side of the impaired leg. So for instance, we would have a right impaired lower extremity. So what you want to do is you want to begin by simultaneously bringing the impaired leg and the cane forward, setting them on the ground simultaneously, then bring the non-impaired leg up and even with the cane and the impaired leg, and then repeat. One more time. Good? Excellent. And naturally, over time, as you progress through therapy, you would begin to take larger steps in a more natural gait pattern. Yeah. Okay, so now we will be learning how to properly measure and fit for parallel bars. So to begin, the patient should stand normally between the two parallel bars right in the center. Very good. There should be approximately 2 to 4 inches of space between her greater trochanter and the bar. And the height of the bars can be determined by finding her greater trochanter or aligning them with the wrist while she stands normally. As you can see, if you bring it over, it is right at the level of the wrist or the ulnar styloid process. So therefore, when she goes to grab the bars and stands normally, she is at about approximately 20 to 25 degrees of elbow flexion. If you want to confirm that, you can go ahead and grab your goniometer and measure. So hang on. There we go. Okay. Like so.
I have a question.
Yes.
Where were you keeping that?
A safe place. Okay. Okay, so go ahead and stand normally, relax your shoulders, stand up nice and tall. Thank you. When you go and measure, 23 degrees on the dot. Excellent. Okay, so for ambulation, what you want to do is it's a 4-point pattern step. Hi. Okay, so now we will be learning how to walk with the parallel bars, also known as ambulation. So what you want to have your patient stand directly in the middle of the bars, hands to the sides on the bars, and again, elbows flexed at 25 degree angle, approximately. So to initiate ambulation, what you want to have them do is reach forward with one of their hands. Doesn't necessarily matter. So go ahead and reach forward with your right hand. Good. Next, you would step forward with the opposite foot, in this case, the left foot. Step forward, excellent. After this, you would move the left hand forward. And then finally, you bring your foot forward in line with the initial foot.
Yeah.
All right, do you have any questions?
Just one, I think. Where does your accent go?
So now we'll be learning how to walk with the parallel bars, also known with the left hand. Bring that forward. Good. Take a step forward with the other leg, the left leg. Now finally with the right hand, bring that forward even with the hips.
I feel like you're teaching me to do the hokey pokey.
And repeat. Like, yeah. We'll restart that. Okay. Okay, so